Christmas, everyone. Alright, enough of that. Okay, I've got a little unboxing. I did one the other day, but this is another one. So this is a special Christmas Eve unboxing, isn't it? So this is stuff that I've ordered to put into my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. And I've got my thing in here. I wonder if there's a Christmas card in this one. Because there's something in here that feels bigger. Oh, it's hot. I can't put my fan on either. Now, there's my thing that tells me what's in it. Put that there. There's definitely something here. Possibly. Oh no, it's a booklet. Stingy people, aren't they? Could have sent me a Christmas card. What's this? Tulips. A little thingy. Okay, what's in here? Oh, I've got some free pins and needles and pins for free. Just big old advert for their needles, to be honest with you. Oh well, we'll put that over there. Disgusted of Kent. Okay, lots of tissue paper on this one. I got annoyed with that yesterday, didn't I? So I ordered these. Now these are, they've got like these little tailor's dummy stickers which seal their packages down, which is really cute. But I've ordered some of these because I went out of stock a long time ago. I kept getting asked for them, and every time I looked, they were out of stock for ages and ages and ages. But they're finally back. I was going to get them ages ago, and obviously I didn't. So this time around I thought I'd get quite a few. So the majority of this box is probably those. But I did get some replacement crochet hooks. So I got some of the reds, and I got some of the gold. But that's probably, knife flew through the air. Luckily it didn't go through my foot. So yeah, lots and lots and lots of these, which is cool. I don't think everything's here. I think there's stuff to follow, which is annoying because I've ordered more hooks on it. But that's about all I got, you know, really. I know I took some out because I figured I had spent way too much, but these things, I love these, and I have one. It's up on one of my shelves up here, and they are brilliant for making kind of bag straps, or just, you know, when you want to do lettering. They're just fantastic for that. And I know that there are a lot around, but none of them are as good as the tulip. The tulip is dearer, but believe me, you get what you pay for when you do these things. I did try a few others, but I opted not to sell those in my shop because they're just not up to par. But as soon as I've had these in, they just go straight out. So, but I decided I think I got 6 this time. I should count them, shouldn't I? Yeah, there's definitely 5 in there, and this is my 6th one. So yeah, I got 6 this time, hoping that I wouldn't go straight out of stock again, because you know, I can do. But you've got little bracelets you can make. That a lot of people use them to make tails and things like that on amigurumi projects, and there's just so many uses for them. But they're brilliant for bag straps. If you're making any kind of crocheted bag and you want a strap, any kind of I-cord, just perfect for it, really. They really are. Great little invention, I have to say. And this one works brilliantly, and I do actually have a tutorial for it. And to be honest with you, my tutorial, it's a very popular tutorial. It was the first out the box. I'd never used it. It was me learning how to do it on camera in front of you guys, which was brave of me because, you know, I'm not great with technical things, and it could have gone disastrously wrong, but it didn't because it's that easy to use. And so, yeah, I did that. And you get a little hook there in the kit, which you need to do bits and bobs with. But yeah, fantastic little thing, really is. And now, since I've ordered from them, I've gone out of stock on more hooks. Can you believe it? So I should have actually got more than that. I thought I did, to be honest. I really did. So I can't really need to suss out my little free gift of needles. They are tiny. There's I don't know what the little flags are. Any sewers amongst us can tell me what that little tab on the top is. But I would definitely need one of those needle threaders that I got from Temu. I've been popping them into my orders to people. You know, when people make an order and I put in stitch markers, and I did make, I keep forgetting to take this out the yarn van, a whole batch of angels and roses and all of the other stitch markers that I make. So yeah, I've been putting those in people's orders, as well as sometimes the odd ball of yarn or book or whatever. Things that come free from magazines, they all get put in. It's hard to know sometimes though if someone is a knitter or a crocheter, so that can be awkward. But I do what I can when I know as well. So those little needle threaders I've been putting into orders, and I definitely need one myself to use one of those. In fact, I would probably need a magnifying glass, just saying. Anyway, that is my little unboxing. I know it's not like masses of stuff, but I'm just so glad that they're back in stock. So many people asked me, and at first I just used to put them on eBay, but because I was so much cheaper for them than a lot of other places, they just flew away. And yeah, anyway, I don't know how long it'll be before I upload my stock. I've got all that stuff that I ordered the other, put on, unboxed the other day. I haven't put that on yet either. I've been busy getting the pictures and things like that for it, but I haven't really had an awful lot of free time. So anyway, thank you for watching. I know it's not much of an unboxing, but here we go. It's a massive unboxing tomorrow. A massive unboxing around the world, because tomorrow's Christmas Day. Well, this is when I'm filming it. You might be watching it today, of course. But if not, I hope your Christmas Day was great. And if you haven't had Christmas yet, happy Christmas for tomorrow. Bye for now, everyone. See you soon.